Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with another video. In today's video I'm just gonna basically show you guys how I got this hair, you know, how I styled it and all that. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. I don't know what my lace looks like under this. This is gonna take mad long. So yeah, I'm gonna crimp my hair. So let me tell y'all, I'm using this very old crimper that I stole from my aunt a while ago. I'm a thief in the night. I think this is, it says golden hot. I don't know, but this is what I've always used to crimp my hair. So the first thing I'm going to do is section off the hair. Okay, I did a tester piece, so I'm just gonna show y'all real quick what I do, and then the rest of this is just gonna be sped up because I feel like it's mostly self-explanatory. So I'm taking really small pieces and then just, you know, clamping it, and I'm just gonna count. I counted to 30 and then I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, so there's the two pieces and I'm gonna spray them with some Gots to Be. Okay. So this is what the hair looks like. So I'm gonna take my fingers through it before I get a comb. I don't really want to comb out the top too much. Across the top. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave your video suggestions you have down in the comment section below. Yeah.